With mortgage rates still above 6% and housing prices near record highs, buying your first home might seem impossible.
We're all unable to buy a house right now, right?
I'm never gonna own a house.
Down payment assistance programs in your area could be a game changer. Buyers who qualify typically include first-time home buyers, households with modest income, or veterans, as long as they have solid credit. These programs provide financial aid via grants or down payments. It's free money.
It's free money with the opportunity to build commitment and also to build hope.
Mortgage lending officer Brian Summers with Fifth Third Bank says find an experienced lender who knows what's available in your area. That's how he helped Anna Pittman in Durham, North Carolina. The 68-year-old grandmother and proud member of the Durham Divas senior cheerleading team never gave up her dream of home ownership.
My parents never owned a home, but when you get to my age, you don't never give up on dreaming.
She says previous lenders she worked with didn't tell her about down payment assistance programs. It wasn't until she met Summers at a presentation that she learned help was available.
She came and introduced herself to me, and she says, Brian, I do not believe a word you said.
I did. I really did.
Pittman retired after 30 years of working for American Airlines with a fixed monthly income of $5,000 and limited savings. What is the first thing Anna had to do?
It's a pre-approval process. Check off the boxes to make sure that the income is qualified, credit score is qualified.
They applied for 5 different down payment assistance programs. She also qualified for a closing cost grant from Fifth Third Bank. How much down payment assistance did she end up taking?
Get this, $187,000.
This is such a beautiful big space.
Yes, well,
A whopping amount that covered more than half the cost of her dream home with a purchase price of $290,000.
how are you?
With all that help, Pittman's monthly mortgage now costs about $1,000. That's less than half of what she was paying in rent. How does it feel to be a homeowner?
I love it. I'm just overwhelmed.
What is it like to help someone like Anna purchase her first home in her late 60s?
Wow, it's the best feeling in the world.
Summers says check out downpaymentresource.com to learn about programs in your area. They're available in all 50 states. He also says talk to multiple lenders and stack programs if you can, as he did for Pittman.
And this is my main bedroom.
Pittman has only been here a month and has a lot of boxes to unpack, but she says she's ready to welcome her 6 kids, 22 grandkids, and 22 great-grandkids anytime they want to visit. A total dream come true for Anna. She actually did qualify for an additional $30,000 in help, but she says she turned it down because she wanted that money to help other people. And most of the money she received, it is interest-free. These are loans that will be forgiven if she doesn't sell, depending on the loan, for 15 to 30 years. And she can pass this home on to her kids. And you might be wondering, why do cities and states offer these programs? Summer says it's because home ownership strengthens communities and it supports the local economy. And you think about it, that's true. When you own a home, you're more likely to stay, support the local businesses. And like you were saying, Carson, this is like how you create that generational wealth.
It's also a huge point of pride, and it's not too late. You get to be Anna's age and stage in life. You think, oh, this milestone has perhaps, passed me by, but it hasn't. And now we're 22 grandkids have a house to go and hang out in.
And investing in the community. I'm glad you're getting the word out, Vicky.
Thanks for shining a light on that. Very cool.
Thank you.
All right, Craigers, where are you? All right.